Functions of social stratification. Important functions are: 1. Encourages hard work. 2. Ensures circulation of privileges. 3. Serves an economic function. 4. Prevents the waste of resources. 5. Stabilizes and reinforces the attitudes and skills. 6. Help to pursue different professions or jobs. 7. Social control. First function, encourage hard work. One of the main functions of class stratification is to induce people to work hard, to live up to values. Those who best fulfill the values of a particular society are normally rewarded with greater prestige and social acceptance by others. It's known that occupations are ranked high if their functions are highly important, and required personnel are very scarce. Second, to ensure circulation of privileged. To some extent, class stratification help to ensure what is often called the circulation of elite. When a high degree of prestige, comforts, and other rewards are offered for certain positions, there will be some competition for them. This process of competition helps to ensure that the more efficient people are able to rise to the top, where their ability can best be used. Third function serves as economic function. The competitive aspect has a kind of economic function in that it helps to ensure the rational use of available talent. It is also functionally necessary to offer differential rewards if the positions at the top are largely ascribed, as it is in the case of caste system. 4. Prevents waste of resources. The stratification system prevents the waste of scarce resources. The men in the elite class actually possesses scarce and socially valued abilities and qualities, whether these are inherited or acquired. Because of their possessions of those qualities, their enjoyment of some privileges, such as extra comfort and immunity from doing boring work, are functionally justified. It becomes functionally beneficial for the society to make use of their talents without being wasted. 5. Stabilises and reinforces the attitudes and skills. Members of class normally try to limit their relations to their own class. More intimate relationships are mostly found between fellow class members. Even this tendency has its own function. It tends to stabilize and reinforce the attitudes and skills that may be the basis of upper class position. Those who have similar values and interests tend to associate comfortably with one another. Six, help to pursue different professions or jobs. The values, attitudes and qualities of different classes do differ. Difference is also functional for society to some extent, because society needs manual as well as nominal works. Many jobs are not attractive to highly trained or refined people, for they are socialized to aspire for certain other jobs. 7. Social control. Further, to the extent that lower class cultural characteristics are essential to society, the classes are, of course, functional. In fact, certain amount of mutual antagonism between social classes is also functional. To some extent, upper class and lower class groups can act as negative reinforce groups for each other. Thus, they act as a means of social control also. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.